Got one. Crankbait. Fat ass get your net. One more. Need one more. Dude, you want one of these worms?
What kind of worm?
Grande bass. Thank you, Lord. Fishing Lake Eufaula. Caught a limit. I caught a decent limit. So now I'm gonna go find out, see if I got in the money. I believe I'm in the money. So anyway, we'll see. Let's go find out.
All right, prize packs go out to 8th place. So we're going to start with 8th place with Dylan Lowry. There you are. Dylan Lowry came in with, well, I won't even say how many fish. All right, we'll just say 34.75 inches. All right. Well, this is just 8th place. We're going to take a picture. Thanks, sir. Awesome, dude. All right, 7th place, Nick Dyer. Never fishing river bend again. All right, 6th place, coming in with 46.5 inches is Dan Nichols.
Awesome, dude.
Larry, 5th place, coming in at 60 inches even.
Hell, man. Larry. Nah, they gonna do it after this.
All right. If we would have had one more person fishing with us, then we could have had 4 payouts, but since we didn't, Eddie McRae gets a prize pack of 72.25 inches. Alright, again, we're just going to give out prize packs and then we'll do the check and the pictures later, right after this. 3rd place, Keith Egan with a total of 73 inches and big bass, 23 inches. Hey Keith.
Oh yeah, you get the big bag.
You got your big bass for us, brother. Good job. All right, second place. Good to see some new faces. Mike Davis. Coming in at 84.5 inches. $175.
Ah, the wife will know now.
He won one.
And bless his heart.
Damn it. Bless our heart.
We gave him a lot of shit about, well, let's just say we gave him a lot of shit. Okay? Dave Scott. First place. 91.25 inches. $455. Bam!
Well, in case you missed it, second place, 84.75 inches, something like that. It was a tough day on the water, but hey, it worked good for me. Hey guys, thank you for watching, and please hit that like and subscribe button. I need it. I need it bad.